Hello, welcome back once again. So today we are going to learn how to preserve our beans for our koose. Yes. So first of all, I soaked my beans overnight, or you can as well soak it for at least 4 hours. So after soaking it overnight, it became soft, and I took off the cover from the beans. Yes, I took off the black eyes from the beans to remain the white one from it. Yeah, so you can as well rub your two hands together to remove the cover from the beans. So after most of my cover was off, I pour in more water into it for the beans to settle and then for the cover to be on top. Yeah, so I use the decantation method to separate the husk or the cover of the beans from the real beans itself. Yeah, so this is how I did it. I kept on repeating the same process. So I separated the husk or the cover of the beans from the real beans itself. Yeah, so this was how it was. Yeah, I went back and poured the water back to it, and I decanted it several times before I had the real white beans from the cover. Yeah, so this is how I made it. So this is the end result of me decanting the real beans from the cover itself. Yes, it's neatly made. Yes, so I then went ahead and placed this in my zipper bag, or you can as well put this in your rubber. Yes, the process has been done already, so you go ahead and put it in your freezer as long as you want. If you can't store it in a freezer like this, also you can dry it in the sun using a tray, or you can as well dry it in your oven. Yes, so after it dries very well, you then go ahead and blend it into powder form as you've been seeing here. So this can last as long as you want. If you are ready to enjoy your koose, you take the preserved koose from your freezer, blend it, and use it for your sweet and nice koose like this, or you can use the powdered one for your koose to go along with your cocoa. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.